Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks Online Plus lets you preview sales forms before sending or printing them. This lets you make sure they are correctly formatted and that the correct information appears. To preview any sales form that uses the old layout, open the form to preview. Then click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar at the bottom of the form. Then click the Print or Preview link in the pop-up menu that appears to open a PDF print preview window. Alternatively, if using the New Layout Invoices or Estimates, click the drop-down arrow on the green button in the lower right corner of the sales form, and then select the Print and Download command. Doing this then opens the PDF preview of the form in a new window or tab. Use the PDF preview to ensure the form looks the way you want it to look. If anything needs to be changed, close the print preview to return to the form page and then make the necessary corrections.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.